It can't be happening. Can you check her again?
It can be happening دا نشي واقع کېدلی. Can you check her again آیا ته کولی شې چې هغه دوباره وګورې؟
Your daughter killed this lady. I hate Allison.
Your daughter killed this lady. ستا لور دغه ښځه ووژله. I hate Allison. زه له الیسن څخه نفرت کوم.
We have to be brave. Do you know how to perform CPR?
We have to be brave. موږ باید زړور اوسو. brave ویل کېږي زړور ته. Do you know how to perform CPR? آیا ته پوهېږې چې څنګه دغه CPR ترسره کېږي؟ CPR ویل کېږي ملګرو هغه جټکې ورکول، سینې ته جټکې ورکول هغې ته CPR ویل کېږي تر څو انسان ژوندی شي.
That's a great idea. I can do this. I hope it will work.
That's a great idea. دا خو ډېره ښه نظریه ده. I can do this. زه دا کولی شم. I hope it will work. زه امید لرم چې دا به کار وکړي.
Please wake up. I am so sorry for everything. You have to wake up.
Please wake up. مهرباني وکړه پاسه. I am so sorry for everything. زه د هر څه لپاره ډېره بخښنه غواړم. You have to wake up. ته باید پاسې.
I am going to call an ambulance.
I am going to call an ambulance. زه امبولانس ته زنګ وهم.
Hello. It's an emergency. A lady is not breathing. Please send an ambulance immediately.
Hello, salam. It's an emergency. دا emergency ده. A lady is not breathing. یوه ښځه ساه نه اخلي. breathing ویل کېږي ساه اخیستلو ته. Please send an ambulance immediately. مهرباني وکړه همدا اوس یو امبولانس راولېږه.
Can you tell me the address?
It's on the
Can you tell me the address? آیا تاسو کولی شئ چې ماته address ووایه؟
Clinton Street, house number 598. Please come here quickly.
It's on the Clinton Street. دا ځای چې دا په کلینټون کوڅه کې ده. House number 598. د کور نمبر چې ده هغه 598 ده. Please come here quickly. مهرباني وکړه دلته ژر راشئ.
Our ambulance will be there soon. Thanks for calling.
Our ambulance will be there soon. زموږ امبولانس به هلته ډېر ژر درشي. Thanks for calling. د زنګ وهلو څخه مننه.
Thank God. You are breathing again. The ambulance will be here soon.
Thank God. شکر الله. You are breathing again. چې ته دوباره ساه اخلي. The ambulance will be here soon. امبولانس به دلته ډېر ژر راشي.
Madam Allison is calling me. What should I say?
Madam Allison is calling me. Madam Allison ماته زنګ وهي. What should I say? زه باید څه ووایم؟
Hello, madam. Should I kill Sally?
Hello, madam. سلام, madam. Should I kill Sally? آیا زه باید سالی ووژنم؟
No. I am coming there as well. You will kill her in front of me.
No, نه. I am coming there as well. زه هم هلته درځمه. You will kill her in front of me. ته به هغه ووژنې زما ته مخامخ.
I want to hear her screams. One more thing, you have to be alert.
I want to hear her screams. زه غواړم چې د هغې چیغې واورم. One more thing. یوه بله خبره. You have to be alert. ته باید alert اوسې. مطلب خبردار اوسې.
Kevin went to the police station. Police will be looking for you soon.
Kevin went to the police station. Kevin police station ته تللی و. Police will be looking for you soon. Police به ستا لټنه کوي ډېر ژر.
What? I don't want to go to jail.
What, sir? I don't want to go to jail. زه نه غواړم چې جیل ته لاړ شم.
You don't need to be freak out. Nobody will find out about you.
You don't need to be freak out. تا ته ضرورت نشته چې ته وډار شې. Freak out ویل کېږي ډارېدل. Nobody will find out about you. هیڅوک به هم ستا باره کې څه پیدا نه کړي.
I will see you soon.
I will see you soon. زه به له تا سره ژر ګورم.
Allison will be here soon. I have to find Sally.
Allison will be here soon. Allison به دلته ډېر ژر راشي. I have to find Sally. زه باید سیلی پیدا کړم.
Don't sweat it, dear. She will be fine. We have to pray for Sally and her mother.
Don't sweat it, dear. پریشانه کېږه مه خوږې. She will be fine. هغه به ټیک شي. We have to pray for Sally and her mother. موږ باید دعا وکړو د سیلی او د هغې د مور لپاره.
I feel terrible. I hope Sally is fine. By the way, where is Allison?
I feel terrible. زه د خرابتیا احساس کوم. Terrible ول کېږي ډېر زیات خراب. I hope Sally is fine. زه امید لرم چې سیلی به ښه وي. By the way, where is Allison? Allison چیرې ده؟
I have no idea. She was not in the house as well.
I have no idea. زه هیڅ نظریه نه لرم. She was not in the house as well. هغه هم په کور کې نه وله.
Should we tell Kevin about Allison? Sally is in danger.
Should we tell Kevin about Allison? آیا زه باید کیوین ته د الیسن باره کې ووایم؟ Sally is in danger. سیلی په خطر کې ده. Danger ویل کېږي خطر ته.
Sure. You have to tell Kevin everything. He will save Sally.
Sure, یقینا. You have to tell Kevin everything. ته باید کیوین ته هر څه ووایې. He will save Sally. هغه به سیلی وژغوري.
Hello, Mom. Sally is in the dark forest. I told you she is in danger.
Hello, Mom. سلام مورې. Sally is in dark forest. سیلی په تور ځنګل کې ده. I told you she is in danger. ما ته ویلي وو کنه چې هغه په خطر کې ده.
I know my son. Sally's stepfather kidnapped her.
I know my son. زه پوهیږم زما زویه. Sally's stepfather kidnapped her. د سیلی میرنی پلار هغه یې تښتولې وه.
What? I have no idea about it. How did he come here?
What, sir? I have no idea about it. زه هیڅ نظریه نه لرم دې باره کې. زه هیڅ پوهیږم نه. How did he come here? هغه دلته څنګه راغی؟
It was Allison's plan. She is crazy about you. She hired Sally's stepfather.
It was Allison's plan. دا د الیسن یو هدف و. She is crazy about you. هغه ستا باره کې لیونۍ ده. She hired Sally's stepfather. هغې د سیلی میرنی پلار نیولی و.
Her stepfather will kill Sally. You have to save her, my son.
Her stepfather will kill Sally. د هغې میرنی پلار به هغه ووژني. You have to save her, my son. ته باید هغه وژغوري زما زویه.
I cannot believe it, Mom. I am shocked. Allison has to pay for everything.
I cannot believe it, Mom. زه یقین نشم کولی مورې. I am shocked. زه حیران یم. Allison has to pay for everything. Allison باید د هر څه لپاره ادایګي وکړي.
I will save my love. Nobody can hurt my queen.
I will save my love. زه به خپله مینه ژغورم. Nobody can hurt my queen. هیڅوک هم نشي کولی چې زما شهزادګۍ ته ضرر ورسوي.
How is she, doctor? Is she fine?
How is she, doctor? هغه څنګه ده ډاکټره؟ Is she fine? آیا هغه ټیک ده؟
Don't worry about it. She is totally fine now.
Don't worry about it. د هغه باره کې پریشانه کېږه مه. She is totally fine now. هغه په مکمل ډول سره اوس ټیک ده.
She is out of danger. You can take her home in a few hours.
She is out of danger. هغه له خطر څخه بهر ده. You can take her home in a few hours. کولی شي چې هغه کور ته ویسي په یو څو ساعتونو کې.
Thank you so much, doctor. God bless you.
Thank you so much, doctor. ډېر زیاته مننه ډاکټره. God bless you. الله تا نیکمرغه کړي.
I can't run anymore. I am starving and exhausted.
I can't run anymore. زه نوره منډه نشم وهلی. I am starving and exhausted. زه ډېره وږې یم او ستړې یم. ملګرو starving ویل کېږي ډېره وږې او exhausted ویل کېږي ډېر زیاته ستړې.
Oh God, help me. I have to be strong.
Oh God help me یا الله زما کومک وکړي. I have to be strong. زه باید زړور اوسم.
What was that noise? Is anybody here?
What was that noise? د هغه आवाज د چی و. Is anybody here? آیا دلته یو څوک شته ده؟
I am a brave girl. I can protect myself. Oh God, help me.
I am a brave girl. زه یوه زړوره جینۍ یم. I can protect myself. زه خپل ځان ساتلی شم. Oh God help me. یا الله زما کومک وکړي.
Get out of here. Leave me alone. You cannot eat me.
Get out of here. له دې ځای څخه لاړ شه. ورک شه له دې ځای څخه. Leave me alone. ما یوازې پرېږده. You cannot eat me. ته نشې کولی چې ما وخورې.
Help. Somebody help me.
Help. کومک وکړئ. Somebody help me. یو څوک زما کومک وکړئ.
Thank God. You are fine now. I was so scared.
Thank God. شکر الله. You are fine now. ته اوس ټیک یې. I was so scared. زه ډېره ډاره شوې وم.
You should send your daughter to the mental asylum. She is a crazy girl.
You should send your daughter to the mental asylum. ته باید خپل لور ویسې هغه د دماغو د کتلو والا ته چېرته چې د انسان دماغ ګوري. She is a crazy girl. هغه یوه لیونۍ جینۍ ده.
She tried to kill me. My daughter is in danger. Where is my daughter?
She tried to kill me. هغې کوشش وکړ چې ما ووژني. My daughter is in danger. زما لور په خطر کې ده. Where is my daughter? زما لور چېرته ده؟
Your husband kidnapped your daughter. They are in the dark forest.
Your husband kidnapped your daughter. ستا میړه ستا لور ویې اغوا یې کړه. They are in the dark forest. هغوی په تور ځنګل کې دي.
Kevin is going there to save your daughter. You don't need to worry about it.
Kevin is going there to save your daughter. Kevin هلته روان ده چې ستا لور وژغوري. You don't need to worry about it. تا ته ضرورت نشته چې ته پریشان شي.
I want to see my daughter right now. Where is the dark forest?
I want to see my daughter right now. زه غواړم چې خپله لور وګورم همدا اوس. Where is the dark forest? تور ځنګل چېرته ده؟
Sister. I can stop Allison. I hope she will listen to me.
Sister خورې I can stop Allison. زه کولی شم چې Allison ودروم. I hope she can listen to me. هغه کولی شي چې ما ته غوږ ونیسي.
She must be there as well. We have to rescue Sally.
She must be there as well. هغه به ضرور هلته وي. We have to rescue Sally. موږ باید سیلی وژغورو. rescue کو.
All right. We are going there.
All right. بالکل صحیح ده. We are going there. موږ هلته روان یو.
Where are you? I have arrived. I am going to enter in this forest.
Where are you? ته چېرته یې؟ I have arrived. زه را رسېدلی یم. I am going to enter in the forest. زه به ځنګل ته داخلیږم.
Okay, madam. I am waiting for you.
Okay, madam. ټیک ده میډمه. I am waiting for you. زه ستا لپاره انتظار کوم.
Where is Sally? Did you kill her?
Where is Sally? Sally چېرته ده؟ Did you kill her? آیا ته هغه وژله؟
I was going to shoot her, but she ran away.
I was going to shoot her. ما هغه وژله. مطلب ما هغه ویستله. But لیکن she ran away. هغې منډه ووهله.
What? You are such a duffer. You have to find her right now.
What, sir? You are such a duffer. ته بالکل یو بدو انسان یې. ډفر ویل کېږي بدو ته. بیخي بې عقل غوانې کسي. هغه ته ډفر ویل کېږي. You have to find her right now. ته باید هغه پیدا کړې همدا اوس.
If you don't find Sally, I will not give you money.
If you don't find Sally, که ته چېرته سیلي پیدا نه کړې, I will not give you money. زه به تا ته روپۍ ستا در نه کړم.
Don't sweat it, madam. She must be in this forest. I will find her soon.
Don't sweat it, madam. پریشانه کیږي مه میډم. She must be in this forest. هغه به ضرور په دې ځنګل کې وي. I will find her soon. زه به هغه ډیر زر پیدا کړم.
Kevin will be here soon. We have to hurry. You have to kill her soon.
Kevin will be here soon. Kevin به دلته ډیر زر راشي. We have to hurry. موږ باید جلدی وکړو. You have to kill her soon. ته باید هغه زر ووژنې.
All right, madam. We will find her.
All right, madam. بالکل صحیح ده میډم. We will find her. موږ به هغه پیدا کړو.
Whose is this car? Do you know Kevin?
Whose is this car? دا موټر د چا ده? Do you know Kevin? آیا ته پوهیږې کیوین؟
Yes. This is Allison's car. She must be here. We have to rescue Sally.
Yes, ho. This is Allison's car. دا د Allison موټر ده. She must be here. هغه به ضرور دلته وي. We have to rescue Sally. موږ باید سیلی وژغورو. بچی کو.
I am going to arrest her soon. Don't worry about it.
I am going to arrest her soon. زه به ډیر زر هغه په حراست کې ونیسم. Don't worry about it. دې باره کې پریشانه کیږه مه.
The lion is sleeping right now. I have to go from here.
The lion is sleeping right now. د زمری فی الحال ویده ده. I have to go from here. زه باید له دې ځای څخه لاړه شم.
This forest is very dangerous. I have to protect myself.
This forest is very dangerous. دا ځنګل ډیر خطرناک ده. Dangerous ویل کیږي خطرناک ده. I have to protect myself. زه باید خپل ځان وساتم.
What should I do now? Oh God, help me. That lion is coming this way.
What should I do now? زه باید وسو وکړم. Oh God, help me. یا الله زما کومک وکړي. That lion is coming this way. هغه زمری په دې لار روان ده.
Oh no. It is coming. I have to jump right now. I don't have other choice.
Oh no, oh no. It is coming. دا را روان ده. I have to jump right now. زه باید اوس جمپ ووهم. I don't have other choice. زه بل انتخاب نه لرم.